स्पीकर ऑन केलं तर हे बोलल्याशिवाय ऐकू येणार. मग स्पीकर बंद ठेवायचं असेल तर तसं नाही. एक ते काय
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am. morning, ma'am. Ma'am, I can't see the screen.
Start completing your work, beta. Don't waste time. Your camera. Today being Friday, I will give you homework also.
Ma'am, we have to rewrite these. We have to rewrite these. Ma'am, we have written this, right? Ma'am, tomorrow is my birthday. Ma'am, we have written these.
Ayush, wait, let Swati ma'am will check. Swati ma'am. Swati ma'am, Ayush wants to ask something.
Ma'am, you have made us written these.
Excuse me, ma'am. Please, can you scroll down?
Farzan, Ayush, I cannot see you.
Ma'am, my camera is on only.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, Ayush. Yes, Ayush, talk to ma'am.
ma'am has made us written these two. Ma'am has also written the make us written the answer of the question too.
Ma'am, can you scroll down, please?
Excuse me, ma'am. Can you set the fourth and fifth question in the chat box?
So Ayush, continue writing. You write the next one. If you have written already the question number 1 and 2, then start writing the next one.
Ma'am, tomorrow is my birthday.
But ma'am, where is it? Okay, here.
Okay, Vihan, we will discuss later, huh?
Read aloud the question answers after we finish writing work, and we will revise in that way.
Done question answers.
Ma'am, can you can you tell the first one question?
Sorry, ma'am. एक minute.
Dhairya, microphone off.
And then we shall celebrate it today itself. Okay, let everyone join. Today I can see 45 people. So it is around 42. So we will let everybody join and then we will celebrate your birthday. Definitely.
Ma'am, the same thing happened with my birthday. It was on Sunday, so you celebrated on Friday. Now it's on Saturday, so you are celebrating on Friday.
Yes. After you finish writing work, I would like to listen how you celebrated your birthday yesterday. We all would like to listen in 2 or 3 sentences.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Good girl. Yes,
And
Dheru, do you want to say anything?
yes,
Okay,
and
Ayush.
yes, ma'am, and I will also get some. To say slowly, I will also get some ideas for my mother's birthday. It's coming on 28th. It's 16.
Ma'am, my father's birthday is on this Monday.
This Monday. Okay.
Ah,
Ma'am, scroll it up.
Ma'am, I want question 3. Can you please?
And I was on answer 3.
The two.
I was on answer 3. Yes, thank you, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, you have sent it as answers and question answers in classroom. Ma'am, can you scroll down?
and in the chat box, the next question answers. So those who are writing slow, they can see the presentation. Those who are writing faster, they can see the chat box. Once the next question answers are on the in the chat box, beta. Why cannot I see you? I'm sending question 1 to 4 in chat box again. Dear, I have already sent in the classroom. I have sent in the classroom, Vaidi. Camera is switched off, beta.
And
Why your camera is switched off? see Meet Kevlani either. Meet Kevlani, Man Rajodia. Yeah.
Ma'am, can you show us fourth answer?
Shay, improve the writing speed. You are just reading. Write down. Three.
Ma'am, can you scroll down?
Yes, Meet.
Ma'am, can you send a chat box 7 question?
Ma'am, can you send 6 question and answer again because the question is half and the answer is not there.
Okay.
Ma'am, I have a question. Can I ask?
Of course, yes, Ayush.
Yes, ma'am. I'm asking that Miss Miss Sullivan spelled a lot of words for Helen on her hand to make Helen understand. So I didn't understand it on Miss Sullivan made on herself's hand or on Helen's hand.
Helen's hand, of course, because she was not able to even see. So if Miss Sullivan would have written on her own hand, what was the use of for Helen? Helen was blind. She had become blind. So writing on Miss Sullivan's hand would not help her.
Okay.
Would have not helped her.
can you send the chat question number 7?
Send in the classroom also. If you want, you can go there and copy. I have sent the whole thing in the classroom. I know you are writing very fast, so you can go there. Sia, same thing with you. I hope now you can open the classroom. So same thing with you. Go to the classroom and complete it. I will give you till 9:25 to complete the question answers. Yes,
Gayatri
Lamni?
ma'am. Yeah, ma'am. I'm copying from the classroom and I'm on the 9th question.
Okay. Fine, good. Good, Khevna. Just revise all the question answers. 9:25, I shall stop presenting.
Ma'am,
9:25. So please.
Mohit asked for the 7 questions. There is only 6 questions.
Yes, there are only 6 questions. You have written 9th, no?
Yeah.
No, you have written done.
That's
Yes.
why I said, Lamha, how can she written 9? There is only 6 questions and answers.
Khevna.
Ma'am, there are only 6 an answer.
We will go through all these question answers again. Okay, we shall read aloud this. If you have any doubt, we shall clear it. Riddhi Goyal, your camera is switched off, dear. Riddhi Goyal. Same with Ridhan Goyal. Riddhi and Ridhan, please switch on your camera.
Ma'am, can you send the question and answer sheets? Ma'am,
Okay, Ridhan, I understood.
I am doing this question answer on the practice.
Ma'am, I am writing. I'm writing.
Okay, write fast. Trisha, in which way you want to change the answer? Trishu, in which way you want to change the answer, beta? You can send it in the chat box. So I will be able to understand check the spellings and everything if you want to change. Trishu, please send it through the chat box.
Ma'am, but there are 9 questions.
Dear, extra questions are also added here.
Ma'am, can you send the question 6 and answer 6 in chat box?
Yes, dear.
Ma'am, I had done all 9 question answers and matched the following in textbook.
Oh, wow, that's so good. Very good, Samu.
Ma'am, excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, dear, I'm listening.
Ma'am, on Parnika, I have written till 9th question and answers. Swati, ma'am, done
Yes.
all the question answer and textbook work I have done.
Why only textbook? But I have sent extra question answers also, beta.
I said I all the question answers done
Okay.
till 9
Okay.
and
Okay.
textbook.
Yes. Okay, Lamu, good.
Ma'am, I've done question answers and the match the following.
Okay.
Ma'am, done. Ma'am, my textbook work is done and now only the extra questions is left.
Now, friends, time for reading is up. Time up. We shall just read these question answers. And I think that there should be some changes in the first answer, as Trisha has suggested. And also, yesterday Jyoti madam had asked you to find out where this Braille script is used. Have you worked with it?
Yes,
Is there anybody? So I am stopping the presentation here. I have already sent everything through the classroom. You can go through and you can complete the work. Saturday, Sunday will be this homework to complete your work. Okay. Now, I want Khevna to read the first question as well as answer.
Okay, ma'am.
Khevna, we are waiting for you.
Yes, ma'am. Helen Kera, answer the
Yes,
following.
we are very good.
Something is wrong. Something is wrong, said Helen Kera.
Now, actually, as Trisha suggested, yes, Khevna. Actually, as Trisha suggested, it was. I'm also not agree with the answer. I don't agree. Something is wrong, said Helen's mother. What was wrong with Helen? Helen could not see or hear after she was born. But I think Helen could not see or hear after she recovered from her illness. Because when she was born, Khush Kapadia, sit properly. When she was born, she could hear. She could also speak. Because she speak means in the sense she could make some noise. Some voices she could definitely produce. But after she could recover from her illness, that illness may affected her and took away her capacity of listening and speaking. Visibility. Okay, so I want you to change the answer, please. First answer.
Ma'am,
Yes, please.
ma'am, ma'am, I can't because I don't have space on the page.
Just cut over there in a small handwriting. You don't have to cut the whole answer. See, I'm sending the answer in the chat box.
Yes.
Ma'am, I have written.
Please look at the chat.
Helen could not hear.
I agree, but please look at the chat first. You don't have to cancel the whole answer. Mickey, switch off your mic, beta. Mohit, is that clear, dear? Okay. Shall we celebrate Vihan's birthday now? Like yesterday we celebrated Vaidi's. Now today shall we celebrate Vihan's?
Yes, ma'am, of course.
Okay.
Yes,
So just
ma'am.
Jyoti madam said no starting your mics. So at your place, but switching off the mic, please clap for Vihan. Happy birthday, Vihan. I should see everybody. Oh, yes. Khemna, you are looking very sweet today.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, everybody.
Yes, Vihan. We are happy for that. And Vaidi, can we have your experience about yesterday's your birthday party? I want you to speak in proper English. Try to give us the short description about your birthday. Yes, Vaidi.
Ma'am. Thank
Yes,
you very
Vaidi?
much. And thank you, ma'am, for wishing me.
Ma'am, at my birthday, the online class last, and after that, it's Diwali vacation.
Okay, but Vaidi, how did you celebrate yesterday your birthday? What your mother had brought for you? What was the gift? What was the tasty dishes you enjoyed yesterday? We want to know.
My mom made cake. Ma'am, and
Mickey, stop sending such messages. Yes, Vaidi. What did your mom bring for you?
a teddy bear.
Teddy bear. A teddy bear for a teddy bear. Okay. And oh, Jahan Jariwala, you forgot to join the class. My God, cannot be justified. I'm very sorry. I cannot accept such
Yeah, ma'am, because I was so
justification. You forgot on the day of birthday, we become more and more mature. Do you understand that, Jahan? And I think, Jahan, even right now, your camera is switched off. We would like to listen how did you celebrate yesterday, Jahan?
So what I did is a pool party. Then I did a pool party.
Okay. Okay. Yes. Now, Rahil, do not answer. Rahil, it is Vihan Patel's birthday.
Okay,
Rahil,
ma'am.
it is Vihan's birthday. Now stop sending, beta. Kanak madam has already told you no sending messages here. We have already celebrated his birthday. Enough. Ayush, would you like to share something with us on this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, please.
Actually,
Because I want you to speak in a proper English. Let everybody listen it carefully.
Yes, ma'am. At the starting, there was like happiness in me. Like I just got up and I just you were I first got like oh, it's my birthday today, and I was the Sunday I almost do every homework on Sunday, so I was like not able to do the homework.
Okay.
So
Okay.
I was a little sad.
Ma'am, can I share my
Oh yes,
experience?
Lamu, please. Thank you, Ayush, for sharing. Yes, Lamudi.
Ma'am, but
Please start.
I'm not complete.
Yeah.
I cannot give you more time. See, it is already 9:35. That was enough. Yes, Lamudi, fatafat, only in 2-3 sentences.
Yeah. So, ma'am, what happened? I was not able to sleep when it was my birthday. I woke up at 5:30.
Oh, and then?
I woke up at 5:30. Like,
then
I
what
was
did you
trying
do?
to sleep, but I could not sleep. I was very excited for it. So, when I woke up at 6:30, no one in my family let go in my room because I was sleeping in my grandmother's room. No one let me in my room because that was decorated and they were having a surprise for me.
Oh.
After 4 hours, when I got ready, I was playing sometime with my sister, and when they opened the room, I was very emotional. I cried a lot.
Superb. Superb. Okay, anybody else wants to share?
Ma'am, one more thing.
Heru, but I don't want you. Lama, please switch off. Anu, just wait. Anu, Choraria. Please wait. Beta Paranika, just a minute. Heru, I want you to share experience something happen in your family right now.
My dad is gone. Nairobi, Kenya.
So your feelings about it, and now what have you decided about taking care of your mother, helping your brother as well? What have you decided? Being a mature boy.
I've decided that I will first I will wake up, do all the classes, finish all the routine. Then I'll help my mother. Then I will play little time. Then I will talk with my dad. I will do lunch.
Proud
Take
of
care
you,
of my
Heru.
mother, and then play with my brother. And
Proud
then
of you. Proud of you.
thank you,
Superb.
ma'am.
Yes. May we have Anushka Choraria?
I miss my daddy also.
Oh yeah, really. I understand. Yes, Vaidi.
ma'am.
Anushka, please start.
Yes,
Vaidi beta, at 9:40 you will leave, huh? Not before that.
Ma'am, tomorrow one more person's birthday is.
Tomorrow or yesterday, Vihan?
Ma'am, tomorrow there is with my birthday only.
Okay. Okay. Now let Anushka speak, beta. All others switch off your mic. Vaidi, switch off. Anushka, please start, beta.
Yes, ma'am. When I wake up in the morning, I was very excited for my birthday, and I wake at 6 a.m. in the morning. I went to my mother's room and she gave me my birthday gift, some dresses, paint, acrylic paints, and a digital smartwatch.
Oh, oh,
And
good,
then
good, very good. Yes, Paranika, in 2-3
and then
sentences only.
Yes, ma'am.
Anushka?
and my birthday
Then
cake.
I can.
And the price of my birthday cake, it was the photo birthday cake, and I loved the cake so much. And
Oh,
we
wow,
decorated
wow.
the house. All
Thank
of
you.
Ma'am, now may I tell?
Thank you, Anushka. After Paranika, we will leave beta. Paranika, Mohit, now next time. Paranika?
First, I thought to put unicorn theme on my birthday, but everyone told no. Then I was very sad because my theme was not. Then at the last, my mom gave me surprise that it is unicorn theme, and my bua has a cake shop of sweet plums, so she make a unicorn cake for me. So at that time, I have a unicorn dress, unicorn ham, and everything. My sister gave me a unicorn toy. My dadu and dadi gave me a
Wow, wonderful,
everyone.
wonderful. Good. Thank you all for sharing your thoughts. This way, every day, some or the other topic we will discuss, enjoy, listen to each and everyone. Okay, we will have communication also every day. But darling, please don't forget to complete the notebook as well as the textbook which I have already sent in the classroom. Okay, yes, Lamudi and Prisha. Happy birthday to your brother also.
Ma'am,
Oh yes, Lamudi. Yes, unicorn cupcakes. Okay. Now you may leave.
Ma'am,
It is 9:40
almost.
and only reading time.
Ma'am,
Bye, dear.
almost all girls love unicorn.
Yes, yes, yes. So
even my
every
theme was
group will be there.
Fatima, even my theme was unicorn.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Bye, dear.
ma'am, I will send you a video record. Actually,
Ma'am, I have
bye, ma'am. Ma'am,
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am. I have done the all
Yes,
9
Aryaman,
questions
Mr.
answers.
Yes,
Bye,
Kanakman.
bye, ma'am.
Thank you.
Ma'am, I have
Yes, Ayansh. Bye. Aryaman next time.
Ma'am, you forgot to write my name in today's reading session.
Is it?
In classroom, I see it now.
May I know who is
Ma'am,
this?
I have unicorn.
Vaidi? You are there for reading today. Don't go. Mohit, please leave, beta.
Okay.
Mohit, leave. Your turn is not there today. And now give me 2-3 minutes. I shall show you something. Vaidi beta, I want you to read. If you are facing any problem, please ask me.
Ma'am, the story is
Okay,
over.
ma'am.